We are here for your special edition of the Unemployment Cooking Show. I'm here with my friend Killian Landers, just kind of hanging out. He's going to show me a new dish from Malaysia, which I don't know. I'm here with my friend Killian Landers, just kind of hanging out. He's going to show me a new dish from Malaysia, which I don't know. I'm ready for it. You know me. I'm hot dogs and hamburgers and bacon. Got my new shirt on. Outkastkiller.com. You guys can get these anywhere. Thank you for all your support out there. Anyway, Killian's already started some of the prep. We got some chopped onions and what else? Garlic? Garlic. Okay. So we got some garlic. We're gonna let Killian kind of take it over at this point, as he's looking for
some measuring things.
We're looking for some measuring, but who needs to measure?
That's true.
You just tell what you think. Right? We're men. We're men. We're gonna come over to check out the stuff.
This dish is called Maggi Mee Goreng. And this time we're going to do Maggi Mee Goreng ayam, and ayam means chicken. We got chicken from another place.
Chick-fil-A. We're going to...
No, we can't have to plug anybody, but this is a local chicken restaurant.
It's really local.
It's really local. It's in Mira Mesa. You use whatever you want. You can get creative. Usually comes without it. My favorite when I lived out there, adding some fried chicken. These are Maggi noodles. Mee means fried. Or goreng means fried, mee means noodle, so that's what we're going to do. The tricky thing about getting these ones is these are the actual ones from Malaysia and Indonesia. Like that's the curry seasoning.
This is the gold right here, gold.
That's the gold.
So this is almost kind of like what is it, ramen?
Yeah, I mean,
these are like ramen,
right?
It's
it's like all the shit that you had when you were a kid. You know, I used to just smash it up and just eat it raw.
Well, you had bologna sandwiches with pickles.
Yeah, you know, this was the same thing when you grew up in Malaysia like I did. So,
right.
Other ingredients, we're gonna make a sauce with different soys. We got some regular soy, black soy. I'm gonna shove some chili powder in there as well, and some salt and sugar. Here's my salt. Forgot the sugar. So it's got like kind of a cool mix of flavors. Gonna chuck. Actually, I'm gonna chuck those in the oven right now.
Warm up the heat.
Just so we're gonna warm those up. First thing we are going to do is we're gonna cook the noodles. I already got the thing on boil.
So after you cook them, you blanch them. Yeah, that's interesting. And just regular cold, no ice or anything. No ice. Let that one go. And so what do you got over there? You got chopped onions. And
so I got chopped onions. Calls for 1 clove of garlic.
But we're gonna do one. Always two.
Double up
garlic is always good for you, right?
Always. They're nice and tasty, and they'll
it's nice and tasty.
Soak up all the good stuff that we're gonna.
Remember, I am hiring for a cameraman. You have to work for food. Look at them.
10 or 15 more seconds here.
Those will be good to go. That one's done. Just gonna bring it over to the cold water. Strain it first. And it's gonna go right to the cold water, huh?
Yes, sir. Boom.
Just like that, huh?
Just like that.
You can actually see the starch kind of come off it a little bit. Here comes the sauce.
So, dark soy sauce, about a tablespoon per serving. So, there we go. It's not for.
Yeah,
about half the amount of regular soy sauce to that.
Okay.
A little salt to taste. It's coming out a little slow. Of course, check it to make sure. That's a good amount.
Alright. Got Yeah.
Do a little bit of sugar.
About a teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
And
About the same amount of sugar.
it's not very much.
You don't want to over sugar it. It's
don't
going to be
wanna
sweet. And a little Maggi seasoning.
What is this called?
This is Maggi seasoning.
Magni. Oh.
Proves the taste.
I don't think I've ever heard of that one.
Yeah. Then we're gonna add the secret chili powder. Go ahead. And, this is pretty strong. I tend to kind of use like, if we're doing 2, like I use 1.5.
1.5. Okay.
Yeah. You know, this stuff is, it's awesome. But
And can you get this at the normal grocery store? This stuff? This
No, I had
Maggi
to. You can order on Amazon.
Oh, you can order on
You can
Amazon.
order on Amazon, but you have
So
to
if
look
you guys
for the
really need to see the package one more
Kadi
time.
flavor.
It's right here, manganese. Just puts little twists on regular ramen, you know.
Gonna
Try
mix that
something
up.
new, what you like. That's what this is all about. Sharing is caring. So that's enough to make that whole entree, huh?
Yeah, I mean this is a ton of flavor, right?
Okay.
We're gonna mix it all in there and coat it. And
Okay.
then we're also gonna do this in a little bit.
Okay.
Get those guys ready. Some farm fresh eggs from my buddy.
Oh, these are actual
actual
from
farm
one of the
fresh
farm
eggs,
fresh
so
eggs.
we're gonna-
So they could hatch.
No,
Okay.
they're not fertilized.
They're not fertilized things.
Not
Okay.
fertilized.
They will not hatch. Now he's gonna put a little bit of oil, it looks like.
Cool.
It's
Nice
looking
separated.
good. And you can just leave that sit in the water. It won't
You
like
can leave it
dissolve
sit.
away
Yeah, it
or
won't
anything.
solidify or anything
Yeah.
like that because you boiled it. The starch is kind of off of it right now, so that's nice. And then we'll just, like I said, it's not gonna be too long till we chuck it in there.
So that becomes a stir fry.
Yeah, exactly. That's the goreng part, is the fry.
Alright, so he's going at it here. He's got the onions just kind of breaking down with the garlic in there.
You don't want to get the garlic too brown either.
You don't like that crispy.
Well, it's gotta have a little crisp, but you don't want to lose its flavor. Gold, baby.
Alright. Just a nice golden brown is what we're looking for.
Right, almost there.
Yeah, see, when you want a shot, you just take the shot for the shot. Move on to this here. You're gonna strain out the ramen. Well,
Maggi, ramen.
the Maggi,
Noodles?
Noodles. And you're just gonna throw it right in there, just like that. It's just right in there. If you go to Malaysia, he says that you actually find this dish everywhere, and they have it prepped and ready, usually ready to go for you, and it's a popular thing to eat over there.
Spill it a little bit. 'Cause
That's all right.
It's
not
small.
okay. See, I'm not doing dishes, so we can use everything we want around here. I'm just kidding. I'll help clean up.
Well, that's cooking. I like to add just a little bit of chili sauce. It's hot and sweet chili sauce.
Here, yeah.
A little bit chili powder.
Chili powder and the chili, and just give you guys a little perspective. Right there.
We're actually gonna crack an egg in there.
Okay.
Mike's gonna fry up a couple eggs at the end to put on top, but this is just gonna kind of go in.
Oh, so he puts an
Kind of
egg
like
in
a
there.
scramble.
Alright.
Alright. And then we're gonna take it to the next level. Take it off heat. There we go. Everything's kind of mixing together now, really nice. You can start to see the little chunks of egg kind of solidifying in there.
So you get the white.
Yeah, or just these little kind of chunks. It just adds a little bit of texture to the dish. We're pretty much done. I just kind of mix it up for a little while so it's not so soggy looking, you know. There we go. So now I'm going to take this over here. I'm going to kind of prep it out while Outkast fries an egg.
I get to do the hard part. So you'll prepare the dishes over there, and then right, and then we'll put the egg right up on top of them.
That's correct.
All right. All right. Does this H mean high on this thing?
H means hot,
Oh, okay. So
as in it's still on.
it's
so-
still hot. See, this is way fancy. it's sticking. We have a problem.
Shouldn't stick. You use your oil?
Yeah, a little bit of
Palm oil?
Dude,
Nelly's looking like a shit when it comes to the eggs.
Nelly, you should be here helping us cook these eggs, obviously. I don't know if this is going to flip. We will give it a try, but I don't know what I did wrong. And it broke.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a fucking egg.
It's an egg, right?
You just, it doesn't have to be pretty.
Egg over easy is what we're looking for?
Yeah, we want a little bit of yolk, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely want that nice runniness on the yolky.
So I'm going to lower the heat on it. I think that's what it was. And try one of these eggs here. Oh, I fucked that one up too. That one went to shit big time. Look at that. I blew up that egg. Look at that. See, I made an egg. It's just a little different looking.
There you go. You know, just like people.
It worked, right? I mean, it looks like an egg.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
Alright, we're going to say that one is complete.
Bam. And if we had cucumber, I would garnish it with just 2 little slices of cucumber just for some green, but we don't really have that, so put a little chili sauce on the side. We got our fried chicken in there on the side as well.
This is what we get. Now, any salt, pepper, or anything?
That's it. It's all in there.
it.
I mean, you saw how much salt is in there.
All right.
You know, with all the soy sauces and all that
All right.
stuff.
So we're going to bring you guys back here, and we're going to take a bite of this stuff.
So, you know, just kind of break it up as you want. You know, I'll put a little piece of chicken, some egg, dip it in the sweet chili a little bit if you want.
So you just throw a little bit of that, a little bit of this. This is what the bite will look like.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, buddy.
It's delicious.
I like the egg. I didn't know about the egg. I felt weird about the egg, but honestly, that is a really good bite right there. And that's really tasty.
Well, that's heat, sweetness, chicken, egg. Fucking delicious.
It's really good.
I'd like to thank everyone for joining us. I'd like to thank Moto, giving me a little culture in my life, because really I would never have tried this in my life. So, definitely recommend it. The fried chicken, make your own chicken, put it in there, and you're gonna have a really tasty dish. I mean, this chicken's really good though too. Hope everyone's having a great Saturday, and thank you for everything. Support your local bike shops. Everything you guys can do to help everybody out right now. We appreciate it. Thank you. You guys have a great day. I would say it, plate to Dow. He's not fancy over here. He doesn't have OK Google. And if I say it on my phone, it might shut this stream off. So I don't want to do that. So we're just going to leave you just like this. Later, guys.